we're back in business. So I'm here to unbox this new item. So this is the new Apple Watch. It's the Apple Watch Series 9. I'm actually upgrading from my older Apple Watch. This is the Apple Watch Series 1. So I'm upgrading from this watch to the new Series 9 watch. So it should be a very good video overall. So that's the unboxing as well. This is my first impression of unboxing. I ordered this scale from the Apple Store. So I've designed it the way how I like it. Whoa. I'm loving the design already. Just the way how it kind of unboxes. So they put the band separate from the actual watch, which makes more sense. Because that way they could just sell you any watch and then add the band that you want. This is smart. They could add the band later. Okay, pretty cool box. Nice designs and stuff on it. I really appreciate that. The one thing I love about Apple is attention to detail. They pay a lot of attention to the detail, the small things that other people may not take so seriously. They take every little thing seriously, and that's why I always love Apple and unboxing their items. We're moving to strap to the side here, as per usual. Take a look. Oh, I got this in Starlight. Ooh, this is beautiful. This is actually beautiful. What comes in here? Okay, the charger. I hope they make these. I wish they made these with MagSafe chargers. Okay, it's a charger that comes in their Series 9. I know I do not want to destroy this box. It's so beautiful. But charger comes in there with the Series 9 USB-C cable. This I'm gonna need to charge my phone. This I'm gonna need to definitely charge my Apple Watch at a later date. So this would be amazing. Let's take it apart. Yeah. Again, 10 out of 10 for presentation. Really nice, nicely braided. It's braided cable, nicely put together. I really appreciate that, Apple. What else comes in here? Pamphlets, basically telling you how to operate the watch, and the Series 9 watches right here in this small box. Nice, neat presentation. Oh, nice. Looking at the back, it looks really good. Let's compare it to our old Apple Watch. Definitely look a lot more premium. Has a lot more sensors and stuff on it. This is the Series 1. This is the first one they've ever made. This is really, really nice. Alright, let's put this box aside. We don't need this no more. The band I chose for mine was actually $59 for this band. Okay, so the band I chose was the a Nike band. I was gonna choose the gold band, but I decided not to because I really wanted to try, something different. Wait, this is really nice, by the way. This is nice. Again, 10 out of 10 for presentation. Apple never disappoints. It feels premium. Well, it feels like a premium band. Let's hope I put this on right. I guess you put it on like that. Oh, okay. Turn it on by itself. Okay, good. Yo, I hope this is 44 millimeters, but when this is not. Actually, no, it is 44 millimeters. It is 44 millimeters. It's bigger than my old watch, which is what my old watch was 40. Oh, this is 45 millimeter. My old watch is 44 millimeter. Yeah, it is 45 millimeter Starlight. One thing I'll tell about the Starlight versus the gold, so this is the old gold ones that you used to have with aluminum, is that it looks similar to gold, but it's like a lighter gold. Yeah, this would be a huge companion to my iPhone 15 Pro Max. One thing I really appreciate about the Apple Watch is the different safety features and their emphasis on safety, and that one of the reasons why I got the Series 9. The older watch doesn't have crash detection, emergency SOS, and route tracking, stuff like that. So make sure it tracks your route. If you have a partner, you can share your route with your partner, just in case if you go for a walk and you haven't made it back home or something happened as well. So that's amazing for safety. You gotta go set up your bank account. So I'm gonna add all my cards. Usually I don't use these two cards, but I'm gonna add the other two cards. Actually, you know what? I only usually use one card, so I'm only gonna add one card as well. Okay, and amazing thing is that you have the face gallery. Like, these are usually things that we can customize. You know, these are the regular things that comes with every Apple Watch, like the face gallery and the different things that you can customize. When it comes to the iPhone, like you can change the, you know, the front of your phone. Usually I let my Apple Watch just remain simple. I have a very simple you know, setup. You can change it around, you can add different colors. I'm gonna choose this face. Yeah, it's just to make it as simple as possible. Simplicity is good, right? Or I could just set it up for my workout face, but nevertheless, it's pretty simple. It's very nice. You know, I like the way it just operates. Oh, it's showing me different features. You can go to your weather, TD wallet, all my apps, quite a bit of apps you can store in here. You can also have walkie-talkie. It's really nice. Compare this to the old Series 1. You can see that it's a lot different and it's a lot more vibrant. See, the Series 1 looks really good, but it's just a lot bigger, it's a lot more vibrant, it's a lot better watch for people who kind of like want to have those extra safety features. Plus, I'm loving this new band. This is going to be my everyday workout band, so I'm loving it. I think this is a really amazing product for the Apple Watch. It's a great companion to something like, you know, your 15 Pro Max. You could pair this up together with the 15 Pro Max. It's a really great combination, just to kind of show you just how amazing this looks. It looks so good when you're rocking it on your hands. We got some covers that we purchased from Amazon. I'm gonna drop some link in the description below with these covers that you can choose from. I have many different colors. We've got black, we've got clear, just in case you want to switch it up a little bit. You know, you want to add some flavor, some swag. Plus, when you put these covers over your Apple Watch, you're protecting it from, you know, all the scratches and dings and stuff of everyday life. So you just basically just pop it over the watch like so, and then it just goes over you know, the watch, and it adds that extra level of protection. They work very well, and it works perfectly with the cover over, and it just keeps your watch really safe and protected from, like, you know, scratches and dings. So we got different colors. We got black, we got like white, we got like this pink color, just in case you want to customize it, make it look really nice and well put together. Apple Watch Series 8, a very welcome addition, you know, to my collection, and I'm looking forward to just using this in the gym. I'm going to be doing a day in the life where I actually use the Apple Watch, and just to show you how you can use these different features in a practical day-to-day setting. And yeah, so look forward to, you know, seeing you there in that new video. King of North 771, I'm out for now, and look forward to seeing you again. Peace.